How to run Google Ads for taxi business. So I'm going to show you how to run Google Ads for taxi business or services. Now, why do you need to run an ad campaign for taxi businesses? So the question is, why run an ad campaign for your taxi services? So of course, in today's fast digital first world, passengers are searching online for quick, reliable rides, and here's why running an ad campaign for your taxi business is a smart move. So to do that, what you're going to do is you have to go to any web browser, and then this time you have to look for ads google.com. You can follow this link right here. This is what it looks like, and in order for you to start your campaign, you have to tap on start now. You have to click this one, but before that you have to make sure that you're logged into your account. Again, go to the site googleads.com and then press enter. Now you should see the start now, and all you have to do is to click that one. So once you tap this, you will see this first right here. What you're going to do is you have to add information about your website first. By the way, if you don't have a website, I strongly suggest to try Wix.com, Squarespace, WordPress. So for me, I'm going to show you Wix.com. All you have to do is to go to Wix.com, create an account. Now you can start building your website. You can choose category here. So for example, taxi services. You can now add the name of your business right here. Start adding your services. Wix will show you possible services that you can offer. All you have to do is to select, and then you can add staff members right here. You can also add what are the businesses and services you offer, and then just continue. Then you can design your template, your soon-to-be website. You can get from their template, or you can design with the help of AI. For me, the easiest is just pick a template right here, and then after that you can now select from the given template here. Of course, you will see here template about taxi services or transportation. All you have to do is to click one or select one. Let's just say this. I'm going to change the name. I can add pictures. I can add services. Once done, publish, copy the site, go back to Google Ads, and then here you have to add your website. So first, you need to add your search themes. So these are the popular themes or keywords. So make sure that it's searchable. You can add here the country and also the language. After that, tap on next. Here is your landing page. Make sure that this is the website that you have created. I mean, this is your taxi business website or service website. Here you can add your services or what are the other services you offer aside from transportation. If you have your products or if you have your other services, you can add right here. Also, you can add here the reason why they should go or they should choose your business or your service. You can add it right here. After that, you can now proceed with generate assets. So you have to tap on generate assets right here. Now it will take you directly to your headline. So you can have your headline right here. First, you have to add short headlines, and then after that, long headlines. So by the way, short headlines, these are the headlines that most mobile user or tablet user can see. So you can just add short headlines right here related to your taxi services, and opposite to the long headline. Usually these are the headlines that they can see if this client or customer uses desktop or laptop. So you can add a long headlines right here, and of course with limit words. You can also look for word suggestion, and then here you can add more information like sites if you have, and you can also add images right here. I strongly suggest to have your own images, and if you don't have, if you're just starting, then you can use from their gallery, but I strongly suggest to make your pictures, images, and videos ready. These are the videos of your products, of your services, of your transportation, your taxi, anything. So you just have to add it right here. Also logo. Okay, so basically you just have to add that, and then after site links. Okay, so you can edit this one, just add the final URL right here so that when they click this, it will take them directly to that specific URL or link. Okay, so once you have added everything here, this is what it looks like. You will have the preview. After that, you can choose your call to action here. You just have to click this arrow facing down. You will have your option below and then tap on next. Now here is set a bid strategy. So if you don't know this, a set bid strategy is a Google Ads campaign, means choosing how Google should spend your money to get the best results like more clicks, calls, or leads. This strategy controls how much you pay, what results you focus on by clicks, conversions, and impressions. So Google Ads will show you these options. All you have to do is to select. If you have this amount right here, then this is the information. But if you don't have the same budget, don't worry. You can just customize your own budget. But of course, it depends on the money that you're going to purchase or you're going to spend. So basically, you will see the information below. This is the amount that you're going to spend every day, and then so on. So basically, that's it. And it really matters because your bid strategy affects how often your ad shows, where it appears. It could be top of page or bottom, how much you pay per result or click or conversion. Now you can proceed with the payment method after. Once you have set up your campaign right here, you have added everything, then it's about time to enter your account payment details. If you're about to use your card, you have to enter your card payment right here, payment details, add them, and then after that, you can now click on submit. So basically, that's it. Once you have added everything, including your payment method, then you can now start tracking your campaign. So you can go to Google Analytics, you can see everything here. So you can use maximize conversion if your goal is more bookings. You can use target CPA if you only want to pay specific amount per new customer. So basically, this is what it looks like. And again, once everything is done, then you can just let your ads or campaign appear anywhere. For example, in your country or a specific country, and then people will click. They will see your services, they will see information about you. And if you want to appear more, or if you want your product or services appear more, you need to spend more. And basically, that's how easy it is to run Google Ads for taxi businesses. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.